Welcome to Wiz Brain Trivia. Prepositions quiz. How many can you guess correctly? Let us know how many you guessed correctly in the comments. Don't cry blank spilt milk. Don't judge a book blank its cover. Charity begins blank home. People who live blank glass houses shouldn't throw stones. A stitch blank time saves 9. Beauty is blank the eye of the beholder. It's never too late blank mend. Money doesn't grow blank trees. The journey blank 1,000 miles begins with a single step. How many did you get correctly? Let us know in the comments section below.